Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition, demanding a discussion on the allegations by, in fact, the India bloc of voter list manipulation, of voter fraud. Rahul Gandhi has raised this before about what's happening in Maharashtra, according to him, what's happened in Delhi, according to him. The Trinamool Congress is now claiming that there's a voter list manipulation taking place in Bengal, which is why they staged a walkout also of the Rajya Sabha earlier. And now Rahul Gandhi, briefly speaking there in the Lok Sabha as leader of opposition, made it clear that the opposition bloc wants a discussion on voter list manipulation. Let's listen in to exactly what the leader of opposition had to say.
आपने सही बात बोली कि वोटर लिस्ट क्या सरकार बनाती है।
मैंने नहीं बोला।
नहीं, आपने बोला क्या, और आपने सही बोला कि सरकार वोटर लिस्ट नहीं बनाती है। मगर पूरे देश में वोटर लिस्ट पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं, हर स्टेट में, हर ऑपोजिशन के स्टेट में, और महाराष्ट्र में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वोटर लिस्ट पे सवाल उठे हैं। तो पूरा ऑपोजिशन मिलकर सिर्फ ये बोलने दीजिए, पूरा ऑपोजिशन सिर्फ मिलकर ये कह रहा है कि वोटर लिस्ट पे यहां पे एक डिस्कशन हो जाए। आप बनाते नहीं हो, इसको हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, आप डिस्कशन तो कीजिए।
Okay, you just heard what the leader of opposition there, Rahul Gandhi, said, demanding a discussion on the allegations of voter list manipulation that the opposition is putting forth. Rahul Gautam is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, clear that the India bloc's #1 agenda right now is this allegation of, voter list fraud or fraudulent activities, because you had the Trinamool Congress walking out over this, and now Rahul Gandhi also speaking on the same.
Well, clearly, Akshita, this issue is becoming a sort of a rallying point for the entire opposition camp to corner the government. If you remember earlier also, Rahul Gandhi held a press conference with Shiv Sena, UBT and NCP led by Sharad Pawar along with Supriya Sule, and that point of time also he raised similar questions, saying that how the voter lists are being manipulated, allegedly manipulated, how names are being dropped, names are being added, and later on TMC also jumped in this entire controversy. They also, shared some numbers which they claimed were also registered in some other states as well. Now, Rahul Gandhi putting this issue on the floor of the House, clearly, and demanding that there should be discussion on this issue, given the fact that there are suspicion in the minds of opposition leaders, and therefore, with open heart, government should come forward. Treasury benches should welcome this discussion. You can expect that we all know that how Election Commission has already rejected all these allegations, saying that the entire election process is absolutely foolproof, and there might be some concerns which are being addressed. BJP leaders are saying that this is nothing but frustration on the part of the opposition camp, because one after the another they're losing elections, and therefore they are trying to distract criticism and attention from their failures. So clearly, on the very first day, you can say that Rahul Gandhi has set the tone for the entire session, given the fact that not just TMC, Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT, Shiv Sena, RJD, all these political parties are coming together on this issue, and will certainly try to corner the government on this in coming days as well.
All right, Rahul, thanks very much for those details. We'll see really how this plays out, whether the government is open to this discussion. Because remember, while this issue has been raised repeatedly, the Election Commission has said there's no question of any sort of manipulation of voter lists and has rejected these charges.